Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk tacos with Chipotle Crema. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 20 minutes to cook. Serves 6 to 8 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2.5 pounds elk sirloin, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoons garlic powder, half teaspoons oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 12 to 16 corn tortillas, 2 cups cabbage, 1 avocado, 1/4 cup red onion, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, lime wedges for serving, half cup Mexican crema or sour cream, 2 chipotle peppers and adobo, 1 tablespoon adobo sauce, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Step 1. Crema preparation. Combine all crema ingredients in small bowl, mix well and refrigerate until serving. Step 2. Elk seasoning. Toss diced elk with all spices until evenly coated. Step 3. Cooking. Heat oil in large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Cook seasoned elk 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally until browned and cooked through. Step 4. Tortilla warming. Warm tortillas in dry skillet or directly over gas flame until pliable and lightly charred. Step 5. Assembly. Fill warm tortillas with elk, shredded cabbage, diced avocado, and red onion. Step 6. Finishing. Drizzle with chipotle crema and garnish with fresh cilantro. And that's how you make elk tacos with chipotle crema. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.